Hi there. Let's walk through Unit 1 in the Course Design and Assessment class. So you can see I've already logged into Blackboard. I've already advanced to our course's Blackboard site. Now I'm ready to get started on Unit 1. So at the left-hand side, I'm going to click Assignments. And then in the middle, I'll click Unit 1. Just as a reminder, we have 8 units in this course, and each unit contains its own specific topic. In Unit 1, we're going to learn about performance-based learning. So this is a great place to start because performance-based learning is all about what we do at Madison College. And so it's great to remind ourselves of what we teach and why we teach it and the advantages that it gives to our students. Okay, so I'm going to click on Unit 1. Each of the 8 units is constructed relatively the same. So I always have a little welcome where I'll introduce the topic and I'll tell you about the things that we're going to do. Then I'll always have a folder called Learning Activities. This is the folder for the Unit 1 learning activities. And the learning activities are what we'll do to help learn about that unit's topic. Now beneath that, I might have some more information. I might have more steps to complete. In this particular unit, notice these two things I have. I have a link to log into WIDS, and I have a link to submit the outline of instruction. So don't do anything with those yet. Just remember those for now. I'm going to scroll all the way back up, and I'm going to click on the learning activities. Okay, so I need you to learn about performance-based learning before you can submit any of the work for Unit 1. So what I want you to do is read any information I have here. I have a little video to talk about performance-based learning and why it's important. I have an article I want you to read on performance-based learning. And then below that, I have links to many documents that I want you to click and download and open and read. These are information to help you learn and reinforce what you know about performance-based learning. Okay, once you've done all of that, then you're ready for our actual homework assignments, you might think of them. And there's 2 of them. First, I want you to find your outline of instruction, and then after that, I want you to do this teaching analysis worksheet. Okay, let's talk about your outline because it's a little tricky for you. I give you a link to an example outline of instruction. I'm going to click on that one. That goes to an economics course. It's just an example. From here, I'd like you to click Home and do a search for an outline of instruction that would be helpful to you. You've already identified a course that you would like to work with. That particular course does not have an outline of instruction that's publicly available. So what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to search for a course name that's related. So for you, that's going to be an HSED course that's related to math. So I'm going to do a search for that. And there's only one available, so it's this HSED Mathematics class. I'd like you to click and review this outline here. If possible, print this outline, keep it, have it handy to you. You can also choose to print it as a PDF so that you have an electronic copy available for yourself. And in addition, I'm going to save this outline of instruction and I'll email it to you so you have it that way as well. Okay, the things that you want to look at here, you want to keep this information, by the way. We'll refer to it in Unit 1 and in Unit 2 and 3 and so on for the entirety of the course. We work with all of this information. We look at course competencies, assessment strategies, criteria, and all of it. Okay, so that's your outline of instruction. Notice that it opened in its own window. I'm going to go back to our Blackboard link right here. So I'm going to click on Blackboard, and it takes me right back to where I was. I was here in Unit 1 completing the activities that I need to get done. Let's take a look at the next activity, which is the teaching analysis sheet. So I'm going to click on that. Even though it says submit here, I'm going to click on that link. Associated with that link is a document called the teaching analysis document. Okay, so I want you to click on that. Now, I'm using Google Chrome, so what that means is it'll automatically try to download that file, and I also have Microsoft Word so that I can open that file. So I'm going to click on that file here. Did you see how it downloaded? I'm going to click to open it. And again, I'm using Google Chrome, so this is just what it looks like. And here it is. This is my teaching analysis worksheet. Read the instructions, complete the worksheet, Then when you're ready, save it. For example, save it to your document, and we're going to go back to Blackboard here, and then you're ready to submit it. Do you remember I clicked right on that link that said submit here? And that's where I'm at. I'm ready. Now I'm pretending I'm ready to submit this completed activity. So what I'll do is when that document is ready, when I have it done and it's ready to submit, I'll click Browse. I'll go find that document to attach it, and then I'll scroll down and click Submit. And that's it. That's all of Unit 1. If you have any questions at all, you are welcome to email me or call me at any time.